tell me Bads of Bollywood, Ajay Talwar. I mean, really, that role seems to have been, written for you, and how did that happen? And how was being directed by a young guy, by a young Aryan Khan? Tell us the story behind that.
The whole thing is, I have done one more. मेरे कुछ कनेक्शन है रेड चिलीज के साथ. मैंने क्लास ऑफ 83 की, फिर मैंने लव हॉस्टल की, और दोनों फिल्मों में मुझे एक अलग कैरेक्टर प्ले करने का चांस मिला, एंड आई वाज रियली हैप्पी. लॉट ऑफ पीपल अप्रिशिएटेड माय वर्क. फिर मुझे फोन आया रेड चिली से कि हम वेब सीरीज बना रहे हैं, आर्यन खान इज डायरेक्टिंग इट, वुड यू बी इंटरेस्टेड? आई सेड आई एम डूइंग इट.
You didn't even ask about your role?
Nothing. I said I'm doing it because I know that how difficult it is from being from the industry also to be a super duper star like Shah Rukh's son, the pressure he has. And if he's trying to do something which is totally the most difficult job to do as a director, he must be, I have to be there for him. Because I have my boys. They want to get into this industry. And the kind of person Shah Rukh is, the kind of person, there's so many actors I know who are really amazing human beings, you know. The kind of respect Shah Rukh has always, you know, given, and the way he makes you feel special. And there's a lot like how my father is, you know. They come the hard way and they've achieved so much success, and yet they're so amazing. And I just wanted to be there, but they said no. Aryan insists that he narrates it to you first. So I said, okay. I went, sat for 7 hours, because it was 7 episodes. And I just got taken in by his conviction.
And detailing?
Detailing, conviction, his fire, his writing, his wicked sense of humor, his maturity of a director, how to understand every age and write about that character. You know, there's parents and there are youngsters and there are so many characters in the show. And I just looked at myself, because a year or so back I had met him at a party and we chatted for like half an hour, and I found this child something very special about him in just that half an hour of speaking to him. I've seen him as a kid and all that, but I've never really interacted. But I interacted with him once before that. So like we really chatted, you know, and I found he's so sorted in many ways. And next thing, when I started working on the sets, I just felt so lucky that...
And it's become a...
And now I feel like really lucky that it's become a cult, and I'm so proud of him. You know, if Bads of Bollywood has got the success and the love it's getting, is because first it's Aryan Khan. Because he is a director, understood every character, wrote it the way he wanted, and he's the kind of director who listens. And then he reacts. And then for an actor, that becomes even more easy to understand each other. The actor-director relationship becomes more easier because
we're discussing.
And he's not just getting his ego in the way or anything. He's listening, like honestly listening, and then reacting to it, and then you understand it.
But did he get, because he's younger and he's dealing with experienced stars like yourself, did you feel that he was getting pressured or something, or do you think he was mature enough to hold his own?
He was so mature and so calm. There was not a day on the set where he lost his cool. He never rose his voice, never spoke loudly. He was always calm. But निचोड़ दिया उसने हमें.
निचोड़ दिया?
हाँ, मतलब takes पे takes कराता था जब तक उसको मिलता नहीं था जो उसको चाहिए. I was just enjoying the process because as an actor, every time you work on anything, you learn. And you discover something about yourself, you know, that, oh, I could do it like this also. I never let myself go into that direction.
Correct.
And with him, it was that kind of an experience, you know. The youngsters were there, all of them. They would get a little, you know, they're starting their journey, so they would get a little this thing. But I would go to them and I would say, you know, it's okay, you're doing it really well. You know, Aryan's doing his show for the first time, he's directing, but he knows what he wants. So just give in to him, you know. And everybody, that's why everybody's loved in the show. What
would Bobby Deol's ultimate गोल भी, अब क्या करना है?
मुझे मरते दम तक सेट पे रहकर काम करना है और फैमिली टाइम भी चाहिए साथ में.
दिल मांगे मोर.
दिमागी मोर.
Well, on that note, thank you very much, Bobby Deol. Pleasure speaking with you, and 30 not out.
Yeah.
Hoping and praying to God that you continue to bring cheer through your roles, through your work, and make people keep appreciating you and giving you more success.
Thank you so much. It was fun talking to you.
Thank you
so
very
much.
Thank you very much. From one Punjabi to another, bas chardi kala.
चढ़दी कला चक दे फट्टे.
Yes.